Here I have Tecno Camon 18 Premier, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer files from internal storage to SD card on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open File Manager. So here you can transfer audios, videos, images, APKs, documents, WhatsApp, download and more. So let's transfer, for example, some images. For example, this one. So you just hold your finger on it, then select if you want to copy it or if you want to move it. I mean, if you want to copy or if you want to move it. So let's copy. Then go to the SD card. Select any folder you like, could be pictures for me, and tap paste. And as you can see, now you have this image on your SD card. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.